Let's start to learn Animate CC. What is Animate? Animate is a software that is used to create an interactive animation. It is a combination of images, audio, video and other effects to create animations. Generally, it is used to create animations and you can display that animation on web pages also. It's more interesting for you because you can create games, cartoons or websites in the Animate CC. If you are working in Animate CC, there is no need to compromise with the clarity or quality. Now let's Adobe Animate is a multimedia and computer animation program. It is developed by Adobe System. To start Animate, follow the steps. Click on the Start button. Then select the Adobe Animate CC. This is the welcome screen of Animate CC. This is divided into 4 panes: Open Recent Item, Create New, Introduction and Learn. All common tasks can be performed by using this screen, like you can create new document, you can open existing document, pre-built templates can be used from here. Next is Animate Workplace. This is the Animate Workplace. It is divided into 4 parts. Menu bar at the top you can see, Properties panel, Tools panel, the stage and timeline. First component in the workplace is menu bar. What is the use of menu bar? Menu bar is used to contain controls for the common functions and commands like opening, editing, saving files, close up, Animate CC. Next component is stage. What is stage? Stage is a rectangular workspace area where you can place your contents and you can create your drawing. And by default stage size is 515 to 400 pixels. Tools panel contains all the tools that is used to draw, paint and select and modify the objects in the workspace. Next component is Properties panel. It is used to display various properties of the selected object. For example, you have selected text object right now, so you can see properties related to text. As you will change the object, property is changed automatically. If Properties panel is not visible, you can make it visible by clicking on Windows tab, then select Properties option. Next component is Timeline. Timeline is a window on the stage. It is divided into frames. Now what is frames? Frame is the rectangular area through which you can control the sequencing and timing of the images or graphics. Now let's see more about Tools panel. Tool panel is divided into 4 sections: Option section, Tool section, View section and Colors section. Now in the next video we will see how can we use the tools in Animate CC.